hell started hitting me whenever I had started hearing all these engines revving up. Yeah, still don't know how to turn the car on. I don't know much about it, but I'm gonna do what you said and focus on just making some cool videos right now. And whenever the keys are tossed to me, I doubt there's keys. Whenever the baton is passed my way, I'm gonna hop in that bad boy and start running.
Well, Mike trusts you, so you trust yourself. But yeah, I think it's just cool being out here. We live like 90 miles away from this, and none of us have ever been here. I've lived most of our lives. We've lived right here and never even seen this. So
yeah, I've never been to this. I was telling him earlier, it reminds me of like rodeo. The only thing I can compare it to would be like just the rodeo feeling where, and I feel is just as uncomfortable at a rodeo as I kind of do here, where I don't have a horse and I don't have a car, but I'm pretending. I'm just gonna fake it till I make it today.
You're about to be in the chutes, yeah.
About to be in the chutes. Hang on, right?
But I mean, it's a beautiful day for it. Nice, calm day, and hopefully the wind blows the dust out of here.
Yep, day before Easter. A lot to be proud about.
Yeah. No, I'm just excited, man. I want to see these things go around the track, see how fast they actually go.
Yeah.
And they're loud, dude, and this is just sitting here loping.
Yeah, this is rowdy. I'm pumped.
I'm excited.
Welcome to Route 66 Motor Speedway, first day of practice for 2023. Got quite a few cars already here today. Got a good line of cars ready to go through the tech inspection. We're probably about 30-45 minutes away from getting on the track. Everybody's just kind of doing their pre-race prep stuff right now, and you know, it's just one big happy family out here, and a lot of guys just walk around and mingle and fellowship with people that you hadn't seen in a couple of months or whatever. But we're ready to go, trying to and give Cole his shot, see what he can do in it. I'll have Conner back me in. That way, whenever you take off, you'll just pull. Actually, I'm in.
Second.
Yeah.
Okay, third.
So right there's reverse.
Okay, that's reverse.
Yeah. First.
Okay.
And then second and third.
Okay.
Now, if you go from first to second, you have to hold the clutch in, pull this one to neutral, bump it to neutral, and then push that one forward.
Okay, so you gotta be in neutral.
Yeah.
Come to center, just like driving anything, but just don't get two of them going at the same time.
Right, because they make a lot of noise.
Okay. Awesome. What's up, everybody? Found this cool little spot here behind the billboards. Sounds like maybe the track was too rough, so I think they're trying to smooth it out, doing some water. A couple cars were getting down in there on the inside and getting caught up, so sounds like they're working on that. I bought these glasses from the gas station a while ago specifically for this event. Figured it kind of captured a rowdy all-American style with a little 80s Top Gun flare. It's kind of the vibes I'm going. I feel like I'm strapping into an F-16 here in a little bit. So it's like getting in the arena at a rodeo that you're not prepared for is pretty much how I feel. Hopping in a race car that I've never driven at what is considered a practice for people that know what they're doing. For me, it might be a poor decision. We'll see how it goes.
Dirty used up suit, all pristine.
Yeah, all pristine.
Hold you back here whenever they start. Have you, just pull around and like right in here. But you'll have to have, the neck roll and the gloves on.
I went over and asked him.
And once we got it cleared out and everything, then it ran okay. But so slick. You get in the gas, going down first straightaway, down either straightaway, and it just
slide.
Yeah, the tires just blow up on it, and no traction at all.
It's crazy. There's not an opportunity to be a race car passenger because there's no seats or nothing. It's like, hey, I'm gonna drive it, and then you're gonna drive it. Okay.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
It's crazy.
Nah, it's gonna be exciting. And you did, like you said, the atmosphere out here, and you could just tell how much time and care every car has been taken care of so well, and it's cool atmosphere. You could spend a lot of money. I could see how you get bit by this bug pretty quick and spend more money than you need to.
Yeah, dirt bikes is expensive enough, but I mean, you got to be working on this all the time, and like this guy's got badass wheels and the frames and the motors. You know, I mean,
yeah.
You know, body work. These vehicles are all clean. They've all been painted. They're just It's unreal, dude. It's impressive.
Super clean. Yeah.
You know, and I hate to say it, but like seeing them in Clovis, always, seeing them around.
Yeah, not respecting them for what they were.
You just thought, who the hell would want to do that?
You see them on a trailer and don't realize, these are about to go racing around a dirt track.
But now that you're here, you're like, damn, this is cool.
No, I get it. Yeah. I'm about to get it even more, I think.
Yeah, once you're slinging mud, dude, that's going to be so sick. So sick.
I've got to do some silly stuff that I wouldn't typically get myself into, and that being driving a race car. What in the tarnation? I've never seen one of those. There he is right there. Wow, holy shit. Now he's getting some footage, isn't he? That motherfucker's getting some footage. It's a shame. Oh, he's backing in. That means I'm going to be racing. No. That motherfucker's getting some footage. I need to get a race suit on, I reckon, huh? Here we go. It's go time, Cole.
Got a Velcro on that, and then lock it in place. There you
go. All right, this is Outlaw Resto Mods. What have I got myself into? Now this is gonna be fun. Thank you, Mike Ewing. This is Outlaw Resto Mods. Alright, clutch.
Okay, you're in neutral right now, so just let's wait until we'll go ahead and leave it off for now.
Okay. split second. I was just in it and I just had to figure it out. That was wild. There was a few corners I felt like I got into pretty good. I didn't have the right, I didn't want to try to go into a corner. I didn't mind trying just a little bit in the end.
Right.
But that was wild, man. Thank you so much. What a hell of an experience. Just crazy. Nah, I was just hoping I wasn't holding them all up. I was hoping I was staying in a place and not, I was trying to stay middle so they were passing left and right, but I was getting into this corner right here. Were you at this corner with the camera?
Yep. Spin it.
Yeah, I was spun it a few times, yeah.
I got that on this drone.
Oh, nice. You were on the drone?
Yeah, you know, you go for it.
Oh, yeah. My face. Oh, whenever I died, like that was perfect. I was like, it's not gonna happen. The car just died. Oh no, crazy. Crazy fun. Thank all you guys so much for coming out here, really. Made it really cool to be able to share with all of you. It's just an opportunity I couldn't pass up. He said go for it, would let you take it around the track. It was totally different than what I expected. You know, you run it through your head a few times and stuff, but I guess what you don't realize is, like, this is what you have going on.
Damn.
Like, there's no moving around, you got a helmet, so I was thinking, like, more peripherally, I think, and I was imagining a lot going on, but this is what's going on, and you just focus on it. And as soon as you give it some gas, man, it's like, where's that corner? Like, whenever I was getting into it, you couldn't even see where I was, like, no. That's why I would let off, because I'd, like, unravel and kind of see what's coming. And that's what it was like. Just hold on. Hope you don't hit a corner too fast. Crazy. Wild day. Thank everybody so much.